Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. My dear students of class 9, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is Lesson 1 from Unit 6. So all of you take your English for today book. And today we will discuss lesson 1 from unit 6. That means this is a new lesson, new unit, and this unit is about our neighboring countries. That means we will know about our neighbors, that our neighboring countries like Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, like this. And lesson 1 is about Nepal, the land of Everest. Now look, unit 6, our neighbors, and the lesson 1 is about Nepal, the land of Everest, page 74. So all of you can take your EFT book or English for today book and go to page 74. Lesson 1, Nepal, the land of Everest. In section A, there is the passage. Read the following passage on Nepal. And now look, the section is given some number, and in section, now look, there are some paragraphs A to there are 6 paragraphs, and it is related to section B. Okay, let's read. Section A, known as the land of Everest. Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. The kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. So Nepal is a very beautiful country, and you can find scenic beauty and cultural heritage both in Nepal. Now paragraph B, Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. This small country has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometers. Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Terai Plains. So tropical means a land of humid climate. Okay, this part of Nepal has hot summers and warm winters. Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drench this region from June to September. The central hilllands include the Kathmandu and Pokhara valleys have a temperate climate, that means moderate climate. There's no extreme heat or there's no excessive cold, and are also influenced by the monsoon. North of that is the slope of the main section of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. Now we will go to, this paragraph is about the climate of Nepal, which varies from place to place. And now we will go to section C, paragraph C, sorry, paragraph C. Nepal is home to nearly 2 crore 90 lakh people. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Nepal's demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different cults. So there are different types of people. They came from different ethnic groups or different cults or different religions. So Nepal's demographic features are totally complicated. In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in the small country. So there are 103 castes and ethnic groups. This is a huge number in a small country, and the two largest of such groups are known as Chetri and Bahun. Others include Magar, Tharo and Tamang, Newer, Muslim, Gurung and Damai. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharo and Tamang. So these are the name of the language, and most people speak in Nepali, 48% people. So there are other languages. And section section C is about the population of Nepal, which has huge diversity. Now paragraph D, Nepal is the holy land of Lord Pashupatinath and Gautam Buddha, where the Hindus and Buddhists have lived together in harmony for centuries. The temple of Pashupatinath is the most sacred Hindu shrine and one of the 4 most important sites in the world for Shiva worshippers. Lord Buddha, the light of Asia, was born in Lumbini in Nepal's southern plains, which makes this a sacred pilgrimage destination for the Buddhists as well. In fact, many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Many temples and shrines are shared between the 2 faiths. Now look, so Nepalis have a combined religions. Now look, Hindu and Buddhist practice. Many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Many temples and shrines are shared between the 2 faiths. Some deities are worshipped by the both Hindus and Buddhists. So paragraph D is about the land of religious coexistence. So there is a harmony between the people of different religions, and there is a coexistence of different religions. Now we will go to paragraph E. The Kathmandu Valley is the richest cultural heritage center of Nepal. The 3 ancient cities of the valley, Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur, represent an epitome of harmony in urban design, elegant architecture and refined culture. These cities are famous for religious monuments unequaled in the world. The 7 monument zones situated within the valley have been named as World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. So there is a World Heritage Site also. That means and this section E is about the cultural heritage of Nepal. Now we will go to the last paragraph, paragraph 8. Many festivals add dazzling color to Nepal's vibrant culture, which are celebrated throughout the year. The sign or Dishara is celebrated nationwide in October. This is the most important of all Nepali celebrations and includes the biggest animal sacrifice of the year. Tihar is celebrated in November. Other festivals include the Holi and Chaitra Daisan. Some Hindu festivals are the Hari Bodhini, Ekadashi, Mahashivratri and the Krishna Jayanti. There are Buddhist celebrations too, and those include Manirim, Buddha Jayanti and Losar, which marks the Tibetan New Year. So Losar marks the Tibetan New Year. Dear students, now we will go to exercise. We will do exercise B. The passage has 6 paragraphs A to F. Choose the most suitable headings for paragraphs A to F from the list of headings below. There are more headings in the box than the paragraph, so you will not use all of them. Now we will go to page number 76. Now look, there is a box list of headings and there are 9 headings. Now we will choose the suitable headings for each of the paragraph. Okay. Now look, number 1, climate that varies from place to place. Number 2, a land of religious coexistence. Number 3, a land of high peaks and Everest. Number 4, a small country with a huge population. Number 5, a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Number 6, the temples of Nepal. Number 7, many occasions to celebrate. Number 8, a rich spot of cultural heritage. Number 9, a small population with huge diversity. Now we will choose, and we know that paragraph A is about the natural beauty. So number 5, now look, a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage is suitable for paragraph A. Now look, and then we know that number B is about the climate of Nepal. So number 1, climate that varies from place to place. It will be suitable for, this title will be suitable, or heading will be suitable for paragraph B. And now paragraph C is about the population of Nepal, and which has a very huge diversity. So which one will be suitable? Now look, number 4, a small country with a huge population. So it will be suitable for paragraph number C. And paragraph D is about the religious coexistence of Nepal. So which one? Now look, number 2, a land of religious coexistence. So it will be suitable for paragraph D. And now paragraph E, and we know that paragraph E is about cultural heritage of Nepal. So which one? Now look, a rich spot of cultural heritage. Number 8 will be suitable for paragraph E. And now the last paragraph, paragraph F, is about the celebrations of different occasions. So it will be number 7, many occasions to celebrate. Number F will be number 7 will be suitable for paragraph F. So these are the headings. Now we will go to section C. For each phrase below, choose the meaning that is closest to the meaning used in the passage. Now we will choose the this is the MCQ or a multiple choice question answer, and we will find out. Number 1, tropical lowland. So what does it mean? Tropical lowland. Option A, an area of land having humid climate. Option B, a land situated on the hill. Option C, a lowland close to river. Option D, a land that lies at the foot of a hill. It will be option A, an area of land having humid climate. Now number 2, temperate climate. Option A, a weather condition of high temperature. Option B, a moderate climate. Option C, a climate with high rainfall. Option D, a climate that is uncomfortable to live in. So it will be option B, moderate climate. Now we will go to number 3, ethnic groups. What does it mean? Option A, groups based on their religious faiths. Option B, groups of people living in the hills tracts. Option C, groups having distinct racial and cultural features. Option D, groups have belief in Buddhism. So what will be the answer? Yes, it will be number C, groups having distinct racial and cultural features. Now number 4, pilgrimage destination. Option A, a sacred place where people travel to perform religious rites. Option B, a historical place with many old buildings. Option C, a tourist spot of great scenic beauty. Option D, the birthplace of a famous person. So it will be option A, sacred place, that means pilgrimage destination. People, different religions, go to a sacred place. They travel to perform some rituals. They travel to perform some rituals on that sacred place. Now we will go to number 5, page number 77. Now look, elegant architecture. Option A, temples of gods. Option B, graceful work of building crafts. Option C, buildings of historical importance. Option D, well-designed area of cultural acts. And it will be option C, buildings of historical importance. It is elegant architecture. Now we will go to section D, means answer the following questions. Number 1, how many ethnic groups are there in Nepal? How many? Yes, we have read in page number 75. Now look, 103. There are 103 ethnic groups in Nepal. Now number 2, what do you know about the weather of Nepal? What do you know about the weather of Nepal? The weather of Nepal varies from place to place, and southern part has hot summer and warm winter. That means paragraph B is about the weather. We will make our answer from with the help of paragraph B. Now number 3, many Nepalese combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Explain this statement with examples from the passage. Now look, I have underlined many Nepalese combine Hindu and Buddhist practices. Many of them share the temples and shrines. Now look, and some of them, both Hindu and Nepalese worship some deities. So you will take the help of paragraph D to make this answer. Now number 4, which 3 cities of Nepal will you visit in order to see the rich samples of Nepal's cultural heritage site? So which 3 cities? Yes, it's given here. We will visit Patan. Now look, paragraph E, Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur. Right. Now number 5, make a list of festivals that are celebrated in Nepal. That means the last paragraph you will make a celebrate. There are different types of festivals in Nepal, like Dashan or Dussehra, then Chaitra Dashai, then Hari Bodhini Ekadashi, Mahashivratri, like this. Okay, so you will take the help of paragraph A. Now number 6, give at least 3 reasons why you might be interested to visit Nepal. Also make a list of the places you would love to visit in Nepal. This question, we will discuss it in our live class. Okay, you will participate in these questions. Okay, dear students, you will tell the reasons by yourself. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through your textbook and all of you study regularly. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.